Ang nagdaang linggo sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Nayanig ang bahay sa paglabas ng isa sa pinakamamahal na duo ng housemates na sina Shuvi at Clarice.
Okay lang.
At kasabay ng pagkilala sa Final 5 duos, dumating naman ang mas matinding hamon para sa kanila, ang Duo Challengers.
Dahil sa dulo ng inyong pananatili dito sa bahay ko, ang bawat isa sa inyo ay pipili ng isang final duo na pinaniniwalaan ninyong karapat-dapat maging bahagi ng Big Four.
Wow! Hanggang sa nagsimula na ang kanilang pagkilatis sa final duos.
Mike's, come on.
Nakakapanibago lang po this time na hindi na kami magkakakampi.
At sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang pagsubok sa tatag at karakter ng final duos, nagsimula na ang mainit na tapatan.
As I said, I was proud to call each and every one of you guys my kuyas and ates. And if you think that I'm using the bunsu card just like that, then you guys have got it wrong.
So you were saying play safe ka the whole time up to that day?
Girl, feeling you play safe ako. Never nga ako na-nominated.
Ngayong gabi, ang pagharap ng iba pang final duo sa Big Tapatan.
Ba naawa kay AC?
I chose my final duo for a reason. Hindi ko pinush yung love team.
Ang daming selos na nangyayari. Hindi pa naman kayo. Don't you get how that's affecting the other housemates?
Ikaw ay pangarap dito. Para sa family mo. I'm giving you the chance.
I want it badly!
Wow!
Lahat ng yan dito lang sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Pagbalik sa bahay ni na Charlie at Sneer,
I love you, Ma. Laban natin to. Laban tayo, Mom.
I love you, ate.
I love you.
You're so strong. Sobrang strong.
Sobrang proud po ako sa duo po namin, kuya, kasi wala po kaming regrets po sa mga sinabi po namin kasi alam po namin na from the heart po talaga lahat po yun, kuya.
Bakalo, hindi talaga nila ako mapapaiyak, te. So proud of you.
Ako naiyak lang ako kasi yung last message. I've been wanting to say that talaga. So happy I got to tell them.
samantala sunod ng haharap sa Big Tapatan sina Dustin at Bianca.
Nag-usap na kami ni Bianca about dun sa question ni Kuya na kung sino man yung deserving pang bumalik. Pagkasunduan namin na ang napili naming duo ay si Ate Klang at si Shuvi. And kung willing ba kami mag-sacrifice, willing kami sacrifice lahat basta hindi yung duo namin yung kapalit. Hindi kami lalabas dito.
Tingin nyo, hindi fair na may mag-take ng spot nyo kahit na yung rason kung bakit lagi kayo nasa alanganin is hindi nagbabago?
Hindi ko nakikita yung walang growth doon sa reason na lagi kami magkasama. In fact, for us, the more na nagsasama kami, nag-grow kami together. Hindi namin kontrolado. Kung sa inyo, masama yung pagsasama namin, yung relationship na meron kami, sa amin hindi yun masama. Pumasok kami dito na walang ina-expect, lalo na ako. Nangyari lang yung nangyari. I mean, pakatotoo lang ako.
Sure ka ba na unexpected yung tungkol sa love team? Kasi parang ang dami kang binigyan na interest na...
Love team, bro.
Sino kaya?
During the first few weeks.
Di ko alam.
Girls, pasok!
Nag-start mo na.
Sinasabihin mo na.
Dustin, I saw ilang beses mo nang binabanggit yung pangalan ko.
Tapos, na-move to Ivana. And then, at the same time, you were asking me and every other girl kung single sila. Specifically.
Kira, totoo naman talaga na girlfriend material yung physical na itsura mo. Totoo naman talaga, hindi ko i-deny yan. Okay? So,
thank you.
Sheesh! Ano yan? Kira, I think papalit na kayong place ni Bianca.
Kasi, naging duo kayo agad ni Josh. So he wasn't able to grab you.
If hindi ko naging kaduo si Josh, what would you do?
To be honest, Kira, to be honest,
be honest.
hindi kita nakikita ang magiging duo ko nung mga honestly, till lumabas ka, hindi naman talaga tayo naging close. So, hindi kita pipiliin. Ano sabi mo, love team?
Solution.
Bro, sa lahat dito, ako, wala akong idea dyan. Magla-love team na yan.
So ano to?
Totoo to, Kira. Alam mo yan.
No, I don't actually. So why would you want to choose Bianca to be your last duo kung hindi talaga for the love team?
Kasi gusto ko siya.
Why?
Gusto ko siya.
That's it?
Gusto ko siya from the moment na gusto.
So wala nang push and pull. Push mo na.
Hindi na namin kailangan i-explain kung ano yung meron sa amin.
Okay, let's say it's not fake. Okay, you guys love each other. But don't you get it? Hindi nyo ba na-feel na sobrang toxic nyo na? Ang daming selos na nangyayari. Hindi pa naman kayo. Don't you get how that's affecting the other housemates? Ramdam nila yan. Selos, di naman kayo.
There was a time, aaminin ko, I was scared na baka nga medyo nagiging toxic na hindi pa man din tayo. There were times na nagselos ako. Meron din times na nagselos siya. Merong times na sobrang babaw ng mga pinag-aawayan namin. And yes, may mga tasks na nadala kayong lahat. And for that, we're really, really sorry. Ate Klang, we're really, really sorry. But just like any type of friendship or relationship, we believe na from those obstacles, we've grown a lot. Seeing us right now, alam kong we've come a long way. So, with the toxic part, I feel like I thought we were, pero feeling ko hindi naman pala. I think it was just a vital part of what we had to go through inside our journey in this house. And we're sorry na you became part of that journey. Ang liit ang bahay natin. Kung kakayanin lang namin na i-close off yung walls namin sa inyo, gagawin namin. But wala, dito tayo. So, again, we're very, very sorry.
Dustin, di ba kaya nabigyan ka rin ng point last time is because parang gusto mo na mag-give up?
Ikaw ba, Shubi? Did you ever want to go home?
I never want to. So not even once you had that mentality. Sa tingin mo, mas deserving ka kaysa kay Shubi?
Okay. Naintindihan ko ito. Hindi deserving sa inyo, hindi. And that's okay. I mean, for me, the fact na nandito ako ngayon, kung sino man ako, kung yung boses ko ay mahina o malakas, the fact na nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, deserving ako. Deserving kami.
I kinda disagree yung sa kami kasi si Bianca, sa mga tasks natin, parang medyo pumapalya.
Kailan ba siya naging gusto sa tasks, bro? Kasi tayo, bro, medyo gusto na tayo.
Yung sukla, magaling
yung
sa tasks.
Okay din. Like, why are you more deserving than us?
Wala naman akong sinasabi na mas deserving ako sa inyo. In fact, there was a time wherein I really felt like nung umalis si Shuvi and Ate Klang, umiiyak ako sa kanila, Dustin and the remaining housemates. Sabi ko, feeling ko hindi namin deserve to because sa tasks and in every challenge, feeling ko hindi naman talaga ako pinakamagaling eh. Kailan ba ako nag-number 1? Never din. So, kung usapang tasks and challenges, yes, I agree. Nagkaroon ako ng pagkukulang. Nung simula, I wasn't the best. Pero wala kayo dito nung nag-improve ako. You weren't here. Naniniwala ako na gumaling ako. I did my best. Mas nagkaroon ako ng drive. Mas naging focused ako. And I'm sorry na hindi ngayon nakita.
Bianca, parang hindi kita nakitang nagluluto sa bahay. You don't even do the chores. Is it because rich kid ka? So bakit lagi si Ate Klang yung nagluluto? Never ka man lang nag-usa na, ate, ako na to.
Actually, simple na naman yung sagot ko dyan eh. I really didn't want to overstep. Yes, I can do that. Kaya kong magluto kahit paglutuan ko kayo buong araw. But I won't do that kasi alam kong gustong-gusto yung gawin ni Ate Klang. So, ipaparaya ko yun sa kanya. At hello, let's be real. Almost lahat kami na natitira dito marunong sa kusina. Pero pinapaubayan namin yun sa kanya because we know how much she loves to see us eat what she cooks. So, yun lang yun.
Sa Big Four, hinahangaan niyo ng mga tao, di ba? Role model.
Yeah.
So, alam ko sinabi nyo na marami kayong pinagdaanan. Pero ano yung makukuha namin doon? What can we learn from that?
We're gonna look up to you guys. People are looking up to you. And we're talking about relationship lang. Hindi naman to dating show eh. Kumbaga, the essence of the collab is something like Shukla. Shukla has something that can prove to the people they're fighting for their dreams. What's your dreams ba as a couple?
As a duo.
Apart from you fixing your problems, being closer, hindi na like push and pull.
You know what? And alam niyo, and so if it is, what if we find strength within each other? Mali ba yun?
Winner na ba yan? Okay na kayo dyan? Kasi parang honestly, kanina ba kami nandito, inaantog namin kasi wala kayong drive. We get it, you guys are the couple of the century. But where's your drive that you deserve it more than my duo and I? More than Shukla? Where?
Yeah.
Why do you want to win?
Kahit paulit-ulit tayo dito, I don't see this as a competition.
So you don't want to win? Yes or no?
Bro,
you don't want to win.
Hindi ko na kontrolado yun.
Do you want to win?
Do you want to win?
You want to win?
Yes, for sure.
Let's say it. You want to win?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Bianca, do you want to win?
Oo.
Next question. What makes you a winner?
Ako, simula pa lang dito, ang unang-una ko talagang pinaglaban yung sarili ko, yung pangarap ko. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Dustin, yung labanan dito, it's really not about who's the best or who's rank 1. It's pangarap, laban sa pangarap, literally. Ako, I may not be number 1 all the time, but it is a competition. It's a reality competition. And the fact that I'm here showing my 100% self, alam ko sa sarili ko, nagpakatotoo ako. At dyan pa lang alam kong panalo ako because I've been real from the very start. Never ako naging plastic, never ako naging showbiz. I don't think so.
Hanggang sa oras na para magbigay sila ng mensahe para sa mga duo challengers.
So happy seeing all of you. Kakasama tayo lahat sa journey na to. Super miss na miss ko na kayo and see you all guys outside. Yun lang.
Honestly, miss na miss ko rin kayong lahat. Alam kong hindi kayo yan. That's probably just the outside world projected through your bodies. Hindi ganyan yung pagkakakilala namin sa inyo. So, I guess that's why okay ako, kilalang niyo ako, iyakin ako, pero proud ako na hindi ako umiyak ngayon kasi hindi kayo yan. And gusto ko lang sabihin naman na mahal ko kayong lahat. And always take care.
Love you guys.
Sobrang chill lang po nila kuya. Actually, silang dalawa lalo na si Dustin. Hindi namin masyado nabasag yung pagka-chill niya. But syempre, nakaka-proud din kay Dustin yun na makita yung this time. Andun na yung drive kuya.
Galing mo.
With their answers, kuya, they were honest. We've seen how much they want this.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng Big Tapatan, Team Rawi na ang susunod na haharap sa Duo Challengers.
Sanay po kaming lahat na okay dito po sa loob ng bahay nyo. Ayaw naman din po namin na ma-disrespect po sila at masira po yung relationship na na-build namin.
All we really wanted to do was stick by each other's side and just be honest.
Kami ay nandito para ipahayag ang aming desisyon sa tanong ni Kuya kung karapat-dapat ba kayong bumalik dito sa bahay. At ang napag-usapan namin ni Will kanina ay hindi. Hindi namin tingin na ang mga ex-housemates ay karapat-dapat bumalik dito sa bahay. There are qualities that people look for in Big Four, in the Big Winner, and hindi naman namin sinasabi na porket wala na kayo dito, na wala sa inyo yung mga qualities na yun. Pero for us din, it's out of our control who the people choose to stay and who the people think should be in the Big Four. Everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their own timing and impossible na may nag-aabang na plano para sa inyo sa labas ng bahay na to. Funny you said that, bro. Perfect timing. Eh, ikaw nakabalik ka as a wild card. So what makes you so special?
Pag ikaw pwede, sila hindi pwede.
I deserve to be here. The people chose me to be here because they thought my story here wasn't done yet.
The people also chose you to be evicted.
Yeah.
Yes, and it was also your choice to join the wild card.
It was my choice to join the wild card. It was also your choice to join the wild card. Your choice and your choice as well. So from then on, we were all on fair ground. We all had our chances to be able to get back into the house again.
Isa sa mga importanteng quality ng isang big winner ang pagpapakatotoo. You know, hindi tayo close nung una. At umalis ka. Nung bumalik ka, nag-iba yung trato mo sa akin. Dahil ba to, alam mong malakas ako sa labas.
No? Ginagamit mo ba yung alam mo sa labas?
Na malakas.
Ninominate mo si Will, tapos ginawa mo final duo?
Stop!
Kasi malakas.
Because you also know that Will
Sabi
has
niya
an
you were stuck
advantage.
in this house,
But you
kept
nominated
posting and
him
you updated
twice.
naman eh. Can I address Shuvi first? Is that okay with everyone? Sure. What happened was, Shuvi, we weren't close before, and I opened up to you how I really found the problem with how you were dealing with the other housemates before. And I feel like that alone shows that I was being true, na nagpapakatotoo ako. Kasi kung hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo yun. Hindi ko aaminin sa'yo na nagka-problema ako sa'yo dati. That's me being as real as I can. And with regards to Vince, na-nominate ko nga si Will. Pinili ko siya dahil nakita ko yung growth niya. And regardless of whether I nominated him or not, we formed a close bond that we've held on to for weeks on end.
Ba naawa kay AZ?
Again, I chose my final duo for a reason. Hindi ko pinush yung love team, hindi ko pinilit. Kasi if...
Hindi pinilit, pero...
Teka na nga, lapit ka sa kanya.
Nagpapaklip ka ba, bro?
Sorry to
Stop
that.
using her. Honestly, Rav, ang kapal ng mukha mo. Why do you keep going near her? If you really have no intention of having anything to do with her, why do you keep going near her?
Pinapaasa niya yun, no?
Alam
niya sa labas. Nakita na niya.
I was there for AZ. I was there for Dustin. So I don't think you can blame me for genuinely caring for another person in this house. And that's the sole reason why I keep making it clear every single time that I do not want any feelings to be miscommunicated.
Si Will nabubulok na dyan.
Si Will, nakikita ko naman na talagang palaban ka, but this is a collab, this is a duo thing, where I can't feel you, Will.
I'm sorry, hindi ako tinatanong eh. So...
No, I mean, anong naging ambag mo sa show na to? Why do you deserve that spot?
Maybe, yung iba sa inyo sinasabi na okay ako sa task.
Speak up, bro. Speak up.
I can't...
Na okay ako sa task. Nag-improve ako. Nakita niyo yung struggles ko eh, di ba? In-overcome ko yun, hinarap ko lahat yun. So I think, yun yung nagpapaka-big for material sa akin. So, I'm not saying also na hindi ka deserving.
Tingin nyo fair?
Fair.
Na kayo yung nandyan and sila Ate Klang and Shuvi ang nawala ng spot.
Well, first of all, wala naman kaming control dun eh.
No, tingin nyo fair?
I think it's fair. I think it's fair kasi hindi naman kami nagdesisyon nun. At hindi naman kami nag-nominate sa kanila. Taong bayan nagdesisyon nun.
Hindi ba lumalaki yung ulo nyo or nagiging overconfident kayo na laging tingin sa inyo ng iba and tingin nyo sa sarili nyo, you're always on top?
No, hindi lumalaki yung ulo namin kasi alam naman namin talaga na competitive kami. Pero hindi namin hinahayaan na mawala yung pakikiisa namin sa mga housemates. Make sure pa rin talaga namin na okay ang lahat. Yung ginagawa namin para din naman sa mga housemates, hindi lang naman para sa amin. Yeah, napuprove namin yung sarili namin, which is a good thing, di ba? Pero sabi din ni Ate Klang, hindi naman nila problema kung magaling din kami, di ba? I think it's more of, doing our 100% best lang talaga every task. Also with, making sure din na hindi siya pumupunta talaga sa mga ulo natin.
Ravi, ngayon ay bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon upang makapagbigay ng maikling mensahe bago kayo umalis sa kwartong ito.
Well, siguro, first of all, miss you all of you. Love you guys. And I know na itong pagdidikdik nyo sa amin, itong interrogation nyo sa amin, medyo nag-i-enjoy kayo dito. Na papainit nyo yung dugo namin, onte. Pero I'm happy to be able to hear all of this from you kasi I also wanted to explain these things to you.
Lagi kong sinasabi na kung pwede lang tayong lahat dito, kung pwede lang na hindi mag-nominate. Ang hirap na kalabanin natin yung isa't isa pero kami naman naiintindihan talaga namin ang buo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na miss ko na kayong lahat. Sobra. Sobrang thankful ako sa inyong lahat kasi isa kayo sa mga rason kung bakit ako nag-grow sa person at kung bakit ko nahanap yung totoong ibig sabihin ng pagkakaibigan ng isang pamilya. Hindi ko man nasasabi sa inyong lahat pero sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Mahal ko kayong lahat.
Proud of you guys. Love you guys.
Love you guys.
It was really hard po, Kuya. Especially to the ones that I got really, really close to.
Habit eh.
It was meant to push us to our limits. It was meant to bring out our true intentions, our true colors. And as long as we stayed true, we stayed consistent with what we were saying, we had no problems po.
Nagpakatotoo lang kami. Masaya po ako na nasagot po namin lahat yun.
Pag-alis ng Rawi, ang duo challengers.
Mali. At least nakikita natin pinagtatanggol talaga nila yung sarili.
Will really fought for him.
Uminit yung dugo ni Ralph.
Talino. Oh, nag-boiling point si Ralph.
Nag-boiling point sila.
I felt
Nagigilty tuloy ako. Sinabi ako si Ralph na kupal ng mukha mo. I wanted to piss him off.
Okay lang din naman.
Samantala, si Ralph at Will naman sa loob ng bahay.
I'm good. We're good.
Kwento. Nagkukwentuhan na kami.
Hindi bro, pero sobrang saya.
Bakit?
Fun.
Ito eh.
Debate kung debate. Sabi nyo, ano ha? Sige, amin yung tanong ha. Saya, sobrang saya.
Saya no? Lalo yung end. Wow.
Why?
Yung end, bro.
How was it?
Doon ako nasa pool talaga.
Okay, atik lang.
Doon yung iyak ko. Yung message.
Yung message.
Umiyak ka, Ralph?
Almost. AC.
Rizzy?
It's AC.
Mahirap man dahil sa lalim ng kanilang pinagsamahan ay mukhang desidido talaga ang duo challengers na sukatin ang paninindigan at pagpapakatotoo ng final duo housemates dahil sa matinding diskusyon at debate sa Big Tapatan.
Sobrang tindi talaga, di ba? Pero ang lahat nga ng ito ay hindi para dungisan yung nabuong pagkakaibigan ng ating mga housemates dahil lahat po ito bahagi ng hamon na kailangan pagdaanan ng ating mga final 5 duos. And speaking of, kakaibang hamon naman tayo dahil isang matinding kusutan naman ang hinarap ng mga final duos sa loob ng bahay. Kung ano ito, watch this.
Isang special task ang binigay sa mga housemates.
Isang outdoor adventure ang inyong gagawin na tatawagin kong Breeze Laro Olympics. Ang Breeze Laro Olympics ay isang 3-course relay kung saan sasaba kayo sa Mancha Challenges. Unahan kayong makuha ang Breeze Sige sa Mancha flags sa dulo ng bawat course. Ang team na unang makakatapos ng challenge ang siyang mananalo ng bagong washing machine at Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent gift pack. Sa tulong ng Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent at washing machine, hindi na kailangan mag-alala sa mancha kasi Breeze Liquid gives more power to your machine.
At nang handa ng lahat, nagsimula na ang Breeze Laro Olympics.
Akalain na yung stations ay ganun po pala exciting, lalo na po yung station 2 talagang we really took our time and we really seeped it all in.
I would make gapang. I really had fun, Kuya.
Simula talaga yung obstacle na ginawa nila. Alam ko na pong kayang-kaya yung tanggalin ng breeze. Kaya confident lang po ako. Kaya kanina, kahit na po puro putik, puro mga kadumihan, pinagdaanan nila sa buhay, talagang chini-cheer ko pa po sila. Kasi
ngayon ko lang po na-get stress pag nakakakuha ka ng mga mancha everyday lives.
Dahil nadumihan ng kanilang OOTDs, minabuting labahan ito ng mga housemates.
Basa.
Wow. Grabe yung mancha. Tapos unang pagbukas ko pa lang po nung product, kuya, grabe, sobrang bango. Doon pa lang po, very confident na ako na matatanggal niya yung mancha, matatanggal niya yung masamang amoy na nandun sa mga puting t-shirts. Nilagay ko po yung 2 cups ng Breeze. Bango. Bango, bro. Game, go.
Wow. Ito yun? Hindi namin natin.
Wow.
Walang kamansya-mansya.
Dahil hindi na namin kailangan kusutin yung mga damit namin para malinis siya. Less hassle, especially sa amin na mga maraming ginagawa sa buhay, may work.
Grabe, oh.
Wow.
Wow!
Best ever clean.
Not just, sign clean.
Labaking. Just let the Breeze do its thing. It has its own power and lahat kami dito, kuya, naka-witness.
Congratulations, Team Yellow! Kayo ang panalo sa Breeze Laro Olympics.
2-in-1 po ng Breeze. Kung kailangan namin ng liquid detergent para sa washing machine, okay na po talaga, kuya, ang buhay ko right now. Wow!
Bango ng red, sobra.
Sobrang bango. Maraming salamat, Breeze! Sige sa mancha!
Sa pagpapatuloy ng Big Tapatan, ang duo naman ni AZ at River ang humarap sa Duo Challengers.
Tinanong kami ni Kuya kanina kung may housemate ba na karapat dapat bumalik dito sa bahay. If you asked me that a few days ago, before the nomination, each and every one of you, without a doubt, I would have traded places with each and every one of you. No questions asked. But if you ask me now, sagot ko, sorry pero wala. For me, there's a reason why we're still here. There's a reason for me why you guys are no longer here. If it's God's plan, if it's the people outside, that's not in my control. That's not in AZ's control. That's not in any of our control, but the people outside.
We're gonna compete for our spot until the big night.
Do you think you have been a good example?
Yes.
Yung totoo, Easy.
I think I have been.
Why?
I've been so open inside this house to the point na I feel like I even overshare.
Paano ka naging nagpakatotoo sa akin? When you were right in front of me, you're a two-faced person. So paano mo nasasabi na papakatotoo ka? Are you even happy to see me right now? Do you saying I love you all? Do you love me? No, you don't. I know you.
Siguro ganun talaga yung naramdaman ko sa'yo kasi hindi ko din nakita na naging totoo ka.
Feeling ko lang, Izzy, hindi ka nagpakapakatotoo.
Dahil? Siguro ganun talaga yung naramdaman ko sa'yo kasi hindi ko din nakita na naging totoo ka.
Feeling ko lang, Izzy, hindi ka nagpakapakatotoo.
Dahil?
Anong sinabi mo sa akin nung nag-uusap tayo sa garden?
Which
you
part?
You said, kakampi kita.
Okay.
Here comes nominations. And you had to nominate me because of the outside world. Is betrayal really your thing, Izzy?
No. You also voted me. You voted for River, but he's still my duo. So basically, you also voted for me. Yung tanong kasi ni Kuya, if hindi mo pa rin mag-gets up until now, tanong ni Kuya, whole journey. Bakit hanapan ko ba ng mali yung ibang tao? Wala akong mali mahanap sa kanila.
Siyempre, hindi mo pwede hanapan si Ralph.
Perfect si Ralph.
Pogi?
Wait lang, bakit atik lang? May nahanap ka bang mali kay Ralph?
Wala, perfect niya nga. Crush ko nga si Ralph.
Hiniwalayin mo lang ba si Larkin dahil na-inlove ka kay Ralph?
No. And na-inlove ba ako kay Ralph?
Oh, easy. Easy. Easy.
Play VTR. Well, di naman na ako nagulat. Actually, di ako nagulat. Alam ko naman na River na gustong-gusto mo akong ma-evict dito. Ilang beses mo akong binoto. Buti nakakain mo pa yung mga luto ko. May kinikinig ka bang galit sa akin?
Ang duo challengers inumpisahan na ang pagtatanong kay River.
Well, di naman na ako nagulat. Actually, di ako nagulat. Alam ko naman na River na gustong-gusto mo akong ma-evict dito. Ilang beses mo akong binoto. Buti nakakain mo pa yung mga luto ko. May kinikinig ka bang galit sa akin?
Dapat ba may galit kapag ninonominate?
Kasi hindi yung nakikita ko tuwing kakain tayo. I love you, Ate Klang. I love you. Yung pala.
May pa 3 points.
Yes.
Hindi mo ba ako ninominate?
Hindi natin alam. Pero ako, alam ko.
Ang sinasabi ko sa'yo, pag tuwing kumakain tayo, totoo yun. Mahal kita.
Yes.
Hindi mo ba ako ninominate?
Hindi natin alam. Pero ako, alam ko.
Ang sinasabi ko sa'yo, pag tuwing kumakain tayo, totoo yun. Mahal kita.
So, ganun pala.
I appreciate what you do for the cooking. I appreciate everything you did in this house. I was being true. I was not lying. I was not lying to you. I was not lying to myself. But then when it comes to nomination, we have to choose someone.
Contradicting lang kasi. Base sa alala ko, umiiyak ka pa. Sabi mo, mas gusto mo pang lumabas. Kaysa kayanin yung guilt na lalabas kami dahil sa boto yung 3 points. And now, walang karapat-dapat bumalik. Wow!
Sorry, nagbago talaga ng isip ko. Okay. Compared to, I think there was a switch in my head. Because only now I want to fight.
Why? Why? Bakit ngayon lang?
Because we're so close to Big Night. Honestly, when I came here, did I want to be big winner? Did I want to get to Big Night? No.
Ba't ka pa nag-join ng PBB?
Why did I join PBB?
It's competition.
Narinig mo ako, when I got inside, or even before coming in, I didn't even expect to reach this far.
Then why did you audition?
I kept fighting. And now that we're so close, why give up now? Why not keep fighting? I think we deserve it. because the fact that we're still
Are you good enough, Rivs?
Yeah.
Kaya mo ba to, bro?
Kulang siya sa diskarte.
Are you gonna switch? Are you gonna fight? Ano? Tell me.
Yan, parang...
Hindi niya kasi kaya.
Say it, bro! Why do you guys deserve the Big Four spot?
Yeah.
Why? What have you done in this house?
Rivs, I think you should speak up for yourself.
Yeah.
How about you?
I wish you guys were also in this spot.
Are you just gonna give this spot away?
No.
Then what?
I'm not just fighting for myself. I'm fighting for my family. I'm fighting for my dad, my brother. I was so scared to share their story. But then I did. Because I know I can help so much people with it. And that's what I'm fighting for. I'm not fighting for myself. Honestly, I'm not fighting for myself. I'm fighting for my family. I'm fighting for the people who can relate to me, who are inspired to me. I'm fighting for AZ because I believe she also deserves this spot. Kaya nga ako lumalaban ngayon. That's why I never gave up, because there are times you have to choose yourself when you can't give to others when your cup is empty. But me, I feel kasi na I'm so blessed. I have so much to give. Even if my glass is empty, I'm willing to give.
It's always about other people.
Yeah, sabi mo, deserving ka, pero giveaway ka ng giveaway. Sacrifice for size.
How much we cried, what we left? I would do so much to be in your position. Fight for yourself, bro. Why do you deserve that spot, man?
I want it badly!
Paano kayo makakabawi sa stay dito?
Every time someone was nominated, it crushed me, which made me even want to leave more each time. That's what made me want to give up. Each time, each and every one of you left. That was the reason why I also wanted to leave. It's kasi sabi ko, do I deserve this? Mas deserving sila. Throughout my whole journey here in this house, I know I never thought about myself. I was always stepped on, always last, never first pick, but it's okay. It wasn't super competitive. Because I would also be happy whenever other people would shine. But I stayed and I fought every time may kaduo ko. Michael, Vince, Josh, three of you are one of the reasons why I keep fighting. And I kept fighting. It was because of you guys. That's why I believe we deserve where we are right now, and we deserve to be in the Big Four.
Love you guys.
Thank you.
Paglabas ng Asver,
Asver, kuya, I feel so...
naghihintay para sa Big Winner Duo. Premyong hatid ng collab ni Kuya at Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. Paglabas ng Asver,
Sorry guys, di ko napigilan. Sorry talaga.
Sa Asver, kuya, I feel so bad na kailangan kong gawin yun kasi kuya, kasi ang hirap po lalo po kay Easy at River ipag-nominate po kuya, wala naman po talaga sa akin yung ba't kailangan ko ipa-feel sa kanila ng masama loob namin. Ang hirap po makita silang ganon, even sa ibang duos po, kuya.
Ay, nahirapan po talaga na ilabas yung mga totoong emotion nila. Ginagawa po namin ito para sa kanila. Para makita na talaga namin yung laban na kailangan nila ipakita para sa amin.
Sinigawan ko si River.
River had to let it out eh. He has to see his words.
It's so nice to hear those from him talaga. Like, from the core. Wow. To fight for himself.
River's so pure.
Abangan sa Lunes ang pagharap sa tapatan ng huling duo na sina Mika at Brent. Paano nga ba nila haharapin ang challengers matapos ang kanilang desisyon na ipaubaya ang kanilang pwesto? Lalo na at sa susunod na linggo, this is it, Gabby! Makikilala natin ang ating Big Four duos for this edition.
This is really it, Ate V! Grabe! Kaya wala nang bibitiw sa mga mas titindi pang ganap sa mga susunod na araw. Samantala, matapos humarap sa matensyong tapatan, isang panalong activity naman ang naganap sa loob ng bahay. Narito ang kwento.
Isang masayang task ang binigay sa mga housemates.
Isang task ang ibibigay ko sa inyo na tatawagin kong Bingo Plus Sumo Match.
Sa larong ito, magkakaroon ng 2 divisions, ang boys at girls.
At ang miyembro ng bawat division ang siyang magpapaligsahan sa 3 rounds ng isang sumo-style match habang suot ninyo ang Bingo Plus Sumo Suit.
Ang bawat panalo na makukuha ninyo ay mabibilang para sa inyong duo. Kung sinong duo ang may pinakamaraming nakuhang panalo mula sa bawat miyembro nito ay ang mananalo.
Sila din ang makakapaghulog ng pinakamaraming bola sa Bingo Plus Drop Ball Machine kung saan maaaring manalo ng premyo.
Unang haharap sina Bianca at AZ sa kanilang 3-round contest. Let's go girls! Puksaan na!
Let's go girls! Let's go girls!
We were just really having fun. It was a friendly competition.
Bawi! Push her outside! Last round! Oh, grabe yun! Grabe! Wow!
Nag-enjoy talaga ako yung sa pag-wrestle namin, Kuya. One of the best experiences I've had in this house, Kuya.
Sorry rin!
Okay lang yan.
Sumunod ng sumalang sina Dustin at River para naman sa kanilang 3-round contest. Ipakita nyo na kung ano ang kaya nyo.
Rekta mo na!
Sobrang saya, Kuya.
Na-discover po namin ni Dustin na baka may future potential talaga tayo sa sumo wrestling.
Matapos ang Bingo Plus Sumo matches, ang nakakuha ng mas maraming panalo ay kayo, Dustin at Bianca. Congratulations! Matapos ang kanilang nakakatuwang sumo game, nagkaroon pa din ng chance ang parehas na duo na subukan ang kanilang swerte sa Bingo Plus Drop Machine. Para sa hindi pinalad na duo nila AZ at River, meron kayong 1 chance to drop the ball.
Daming prizes, Kuya, and then it's so thrilling kung ano yung prize makukuha namin.
Ang cute!
At dahil kayo ang nanalo, Dustin at Bianca, pwede kayong maghulog ng 3 balls.
Gift box!
First time ko po talaga yun. I didn't know it was that fun.
Thank you, Bingo Plus! Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo! We love you, Bingo Plus!
Abangan ang pagharap sa big tapatan ng huling duo.
Meaning kayo i-give up yung spot for us. But guys, nasayangin yung slot niyo para sa amin.
Sa inyo mabibigay atin dito sa Hindi naman kami panalo na eh.
Matapos sa mga naging pagkilatis, sinong duo kaya ang iboboto ng Duo Challengers para maging unang duo na bahagi ng Big Four?
Para sa kahuli-hulihang pagkakataon ngayong edisyon, nais kong magsama ang lahat ng housemates ng bahay ko.
Oh my gosh!
Maaari nyo nang lapitan ang isa't isa.
Lahat ng yan sa huling 2 linggo ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition.